Did you know Copart members have access to several vehicle reports to help make an informed decision before buying? Each report offers a more detailed history and current condition of the vehicle, so you're knowledgeable about a car's condition before you place your bid. Let's learn more about Copart's vehicle reports. From any Copart.com page, select Vehicle Reports under the Services tab. The AutoCheck report through Experian provides history for vehicles with clean titles. This report can be accessed on the Lot Details page of a vehicle by clicking View Report next to the AutoCheck icon. Copart Condition Reports include 2 videos, a list of more than 50 features, tire condition, and additional photos. Condition reports are available for purchase on nearly every Copart vehicle directly from the Lot Details page. EpicVIN Vehicle History Reports provide information related to DMV title data, insurance total loss records, open lien status, and more. From the Lot Details page, click the EpicVIN Vehicle History Report link, and you can purchase the report online with access for 60 days from time of purchase. The Market Guide report offers information such as NADA values, VIN decode, and a list of comparable sales. On the Lot Details page, click the Market Guide report list to purchase this report. You'll have access to the report until the vehicle sells. In addition to these vehicle reports, members can also access each vehicle's VIN to use with independent third-party services or to have someone inspect the vehicle on their behalf. For a list of third-party inspectors, visit Copart.com/inspectors. For more information about vehicle condition reports and Copart auctions, visit Copart.com/reports.